Someone just leaked a DJI prototype, and nobody can agree on what it actually is. Is it the next evolution of the Avata line, or something completely different hiding behind a familiar shape? Let's break it down, because the clues are hiding in plain sight. A fresh prototype video just dropped from Igor, one of the most reliable names in the DJI leak space, and the drone community is already losing its mind. The footage is predictably blurry. That's basically standard procedure at this point, because whoever films these things clearly went to the same film school as every Bigfoot camera operator. But after running it through AI upscaling tools, the shape of this thing becomes a lot clearer, and that's exactly when the debate starts getting interesting. Back in March, a credible source who had actually test-flown an Avata 3 prototype told drone creator Mauro Tandoi that the next Avata would come with a panoramic dual-camera gimbal, similar to the wide-angle viewing experience on the Avata 360. The flight feel was reportedly a touch softer than the Avata 2, which makes sense if DJI is prioritizing cinematic stability over raw agility. But here's the thing. That same March leak said absolutely nothing about a radical body redesign. And if you look at every Avata body ever made, you'll notice the same rugged Cinewhoop DNA. Compact venting, asymmetric port placements, a form built for tight cinematic work. The prototype in this new video? None of that matches. Here's where it gets genuinely interesting. The prototype has this ultra-symmetric, compact body with oversized side grills, and honestly, that design language screams Neo, not Avata. The original DJI Neo built its entire reputation on being small, simple, and incredibly approachable. A Neo 3 that pushes that formula further with improved ventilation, beefier motors, and potentially some kind of hybrid wide-angle capability? That's not a stretch at all. Some people in the comments of Quadro_News were already calling it the Neo 360 and comparing it to the Hover Air Aqua. And honestly, you can see why. The grille pattern on this thing simply doesn't carry any Avata DNA. Let's zoom out for a second and look at where DJI actually stands right now. The Avata 360 just launched in China and is already shipping globally, so that box is freshly checked. The Avata 3, according to that same March leak, is still tracking for a late 2027 release. That timeline actually makes sense if this prototype is controller hardware or support tech being tested early. But the Neo 3 has no confirmed leak timeline, which means it could move a lot faster. DJI has a well-known habit of testing its wildest ideas on the more affordable Neo line before migrating them upward. The fact that they're already doing outdoor multi-device testing in April 2026 suggests development across the board is moving quicker than anyone expected. Putting all of this together, the design language, the timeline, the existing leaks, here's where things land. There's roughly a 65% chance this is a new budget FPV whoop drone aimed at beginners, something in the Neo or Neo 360 direction, with those big grills built for serious thermal performance during extended flights. The remaining 35% points toward an advanced Neo 3 refresh that's further along in development than anyone realized. What it almost certainly isn't? The Avata 3. The body design just doesn't line up with anything DJI has ever done in the Avata family, and that matters more than any speculation. DJI is clearly building something, and whatever this prototype is, it's further along than a blurry video should make it look. My money is on a Neo line surprise before we ever see an Avata 3. But I could be wrong, and honestly, that's half the fun. What do you think this thing is? Neo 3 or something we haven't even named yet? Drop it in the comments. If this breakdown helped you make sense of the chaos, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, and let's figure this out together.